Don't miss this red tag sale. For 1 week only, D.R. Horton is offering $25,000 your way. This home features beautiful tray ceilings in the foyer, in the dining room, the living area, and the primary suite. It is a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths. It's almost 2,500 square feet. This home has luxury vinyl plank throughout. There's no carpet in this home. Beautiful white quartz countertops, a tiled backsplash in the kitchen, a gas stove, a nice sized pantry. This is a split floor plan. Bedroom 1 with a Jack and Jill bath, double vanities, water closet closes off from the vanities areas. Your second bedroom of the Jack and Jill here just offers the breakfast nook. You have your hallway bath here and a nice size laundry room. The third bedroom. Now this home also comes with a smart home package. This home is on red tag special. What does that mean for you? You get an additional $25,000 to use your way. You can use that money towards your interest rate buy down, your closing cost, free blinds, a refrigerator, or a washer and dryer. Call today for more details. This is a limited time offer. 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for a free home analysis. I would love to show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. Anytime you visit a D.R. Horton home, don't forget to ask for Frankie Wink. My services are free for buyers, and you need an agent on your side to represent your best interests. Call me today, 251-234-9919. For a limited time, D.R. Horton is offering interest rates as low as 4.5 when using their preferred lender. Call today for more details, 251-234-9919.